Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I have a quick update to our run glitch from this morning. Plus, y'all want to make sure that you stay tuned until the end because I have some new information about Dollar General that I cannot wait to share with y'all. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so I am back with an update on the run glitch that we have going on right now. I just left Dollar General and I am unfortunately right beside a highway. So if y'all hear a bunch of cars whizzing by, that's just something that we can't help, and it's already burning up in this car. So I did turn the AC off really quick to make this video. Alright, so if y'all missed it, I did upload a video earlier this morning going over this run glitch with all of the details, different ways that y'all can mix and match, different products that y'all can pick up. So if you missed that video, go and check it out because there are some other deals that I'm not going to be discussing in that video. So go check it out. I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. This is definitely going to be a run glitch because I have a feeling that the shelves will be cleared pretty soon, alright? So definitely get out there and do this deal if you can. Alright, so again, this is a self-checkout glitch on the Suave products. So we have several Suave body washes that are priced at $3.35. If you all saw my video this morning, you saw that I picked up the men's body wash, $3.35. Pick up 2 of them, and we have 3 DG store coupons that are coming off and stacking together at self-checkout. So I ran into DG just now and found 2 of the women's body washes, so I did the deal again. And the great thing about this glitch is that those coupons are staying on our accounts. Alright, big 18-wheeler just passed. Again, those coupons are staying on our accounts. So if you can find, 4 or 6 of these, you can do the deal 2 or 3 times back to back to back. Now, I'm going to keep a couple of stores for Saturday, just in case this glitch is still hanging around. That way I know that I have a couple of stores with products still on the shelves. Unfortunately, the 2 that I have visited already, it was slim pickings, but there were still some products that I could choose from. So, I did that deal, ended up paying 70 cents for both of them. And let me just show you my receipt here. 70 cents plus tax. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's there. 70 cents plus tax. So 76 cents altogether. I also did the Golden Grams deal. So these are 45 cents each, if my memory serves me correctly. And we have an Ibotta rebate that is glitching with these, giving us 75 cents back on each one of them. There is a limit of 5, so go ahead and pick up 5. Pay that out of pocket, submit it to Ibotta. That's gonna make it completely free, plus give you $1.50 for a moneymaker. So you're making money on this little deal right here. All right, now while I was in the store, I was scanning some other Suave products, and I found that the 6-count Suave bar soaps are also working with those DG store coupons. So I went up to self-checkout. I picked up 2 of them. The Aloe and the Ocean Breeze both work with this deal. So if your store is out of the body wash, here is another really good option. So let me find my receipt here. These are $3.25 each. Again, you can mix and match. Pick up 2 of the Ocean Breeze or 2 of the Aloe, however you want to do it. Or you can pick up 1 of the bar soaps and 1 of the body washes. So there's different ways that y'all can do this deal. Again, go check out my video from this morning. Alright, so if you pick up 2 of these in the same transaction, there are 2 of the 2 off 6 DG store coupons that will attach and work together. Alright, so here's a look at my receipt. You're going to pay, let's see here, come on, focus for me. So $6.50 minus $4 is $2.50 for both. I think that's a pretty good deal considering you're getting 12 bars of soap. So awesome deal. There's y'all another way that you can mix and match, and hopefully you guys can get out there and score some of these deals. If you do, please come back and let me know how it goes in the comment section down below. Alright guys, so now for some new information and new deals that we have going on at Dollar General. First up, we have some new DG rewards that you guys need to make sure that you go into the DG app, click on your wallet, and then DG rewards, and go ahead and enroll in both of these new DG rewards. So first up, we have this Clover Valley Water DG Reward. So when you spend $15 or more on these products, you're going to earn a $3.50 off coupon for your next purchase of $3.51 or more. And then the second new DG reward that we have is the buy 4 of the Extra Orbit or 5 gum and get 1 for 1 penny. And that one doesn't expire until October the 28th. Now, if you guys are new to couponing at Dollar General and you don't really know much about DG rewards or how they work, I have the perfect video for you all ready to go. You can find it in my playlist for couponing for beginners. I'm going to leave that video and the playlist linked in the pinned comment down below, so definitely go and check it out if you have questions about DG rewards. Now, last but not least, we have some really good news to talk about, and that is that we are going to have a Dollar General clearance event this weekend. It's going to start on Friday the 19th and run through Sunday the 21st. Now, unfortunately, this isn't one of the huge clearance events where we have the clearance section and POG clearance and tons of coupon matchups. This is going to be mostly seasonal items, but we still have some really good deals, and we have that 5 off $25 coupon to work with on Saturday. So while I was out and about today, taking full advantage of all of the awesome deals that are going on at Dollar General right now, I did take some pictures, I have some visuals for you all, and I even have a pretty good little surprise. So I will have the full video with all of the information and details up tomorrow for you guys. So make sure that you have your notifications turned on, because this is one that you are not going to want to miss out on. Now, before you all go, again, just a quick reminder that I did upload the Run, Glitches, and Money Makers video earlier this morning. So if you missed that video and you want to go and check out the other glitches and other products that y'all can pick up with this Run glitch, as well as we have another glitch that I talked about in that video and that money-making deal on Ibotta. So if you guys need any details for those deals, go and check out that video, and I'm going to have it linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but if you guys score on any of these deals, please come back in the comment section and let me know about it. Now, I know I've kind of been slacking on the comments this week because we have just had back-to-back amazing deals and money makers and free items all week long. It has literally been nonstop, so I've been trying to get through the comments as I can and answering questions, but nevertheless, I always read every single comment. So you guys come back and let me know how you did at Dollar General. That is one of my favorite parts of having this YouTube channel, is hearing about y'all's successful hauls. So don't forget about that. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, hit that thumbs up button for me, because it's a free way that you can help support this channel. Leave me a comment down below and take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.